Today we're checking out this RedRock Liftgate Roof Ladder for the 2010 to 2024 4Runners. If you're tired of juggling a step stool or struggling to access that roof rack, this rugged addition brings safe, simple climbing straight to your tailgate without compromising on style. This ladder thoughtfully gives you secure and stable access to your 4Runner's roof rack. It's perfect for strapping down gear, climbing up to those increasingly popular rooftop tents, or organizing cargo more effectively. It blends a streamlined overland look with real-world utility, all while keeping it secure when it's not in use. The combined use of steel and aluminum in its frame offers a rock-solid yet lightweight structure. A high-grade black powder coat ensures long-lasting protection against rust, scratches, and the elements. This is engineered for both strength and longevity. The ladder uses a steel base reinforced with aluminum elements to provide maximum stiffness without any unnecessary weight. The finish is a high-grade textured black powder coat designed to resist chipping, corrosion, and fading over time, ensuring it can withstand daily use, weather, and abuse out there on the trail. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the upper $200 price range. Considering its construction, improved accessibility to the roof, and brand-backed quality by RedRock, it's a compelling value for your Jeep if you need better access to that roof. This is going to be a very straightforward installation process, rated just 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 30 minutes of your time right at home in the driveway. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our ExtremeTerrain customers.
This is what the kit comes with. It comes with your ladder, 2 bottom mounting brackets, 2 top mounting brackets, and hardware. Then you want to take your 2 top brackets, the one with the hook, large at right angle brackets, fit it like so. Then you want to take your flat washer, your locking washer, flat washer first, then locking washer, put them on both. Then you want to take your 2 nuts, slide them down on there, make sure they're loose so you could slide the bracket. Then you want to take your whole assembly, fix it onto the ladder. First you want to put your locking washer down on the screw, then your flat washer. Put it right there. Screw that down on there and then do the same thing on the other side. Once you get these screws hand tight, then you want to go tighten them all the way with the provided Allen key. Then you want to position the top bracket of your ladder. Hook the hook around the top of your trunk. It's going to be about 6 inches over. It's not specified in the instructions, but this is how far I have it. Open your lift gate. Find this lip right here. Then you want to fix your top plate bracket to your bottom plate bracket like so. Then you want to peel the tape off. You want to fit right to your car like so. After you do that, you want to take your flat plates and then fit them up in between the top of the screw and the bottom of your car. The screw onto the flat plate, pinching the bracket onto your car. Then you want to fit the ladder onto your brackets with the 2 bolts, same order. Flat washer, locking washer, nut, flat washer, locking washer, nut. And then you want to ratchet these bolts on, 15mm ratchet.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the RedRock Liftgate Roof Ladder for the 2010 to 2024 4Runners. And for all things 4Runner, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.